Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to hide your number, how to hide your caller ID on iPhone 17 Pro Max. At the very beginning, we should open Settings application. Then, in Settings, we should scroll down, find here Apps, then scroll a bit down again. Find here Phone app. Now scroll again, find here Show My Caller ID and disable it. Now your caller ID, your phone number will be hidden and no one see it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.